So when I turned on my PC today, I saw a message saying Windows can't install updates. So I started looking for a solution and found a fix that I want to share with you step by step. So first you need to check whether TPM is enabled or not. To do that, you have to go into your BIOS settings. So completely shut down your PC. Now turn on it again and you can use the restarts option from your PC, like click start buttons, then click restarts, then enter the boot menu or BIOS key. Like for AMD motherboards, the key can be different depending on the brand, so you should check your motherboard model on Google if you are not sure. So for AMD motherboards, you can use delete buttons from your keyboard. So once you enter the BIOS, if you see easy mode, switch to advanced mode. After that, go to settings section. From there, find the security option. The name and location can vary depending on your motherboard model, especially for AMD systems, but you need to look for TPM or fTPM settings. When you find it, simply enable it. So before exiting, make sure your PC meets the basic requirements like at least 4 GB RAM and SSD and around 64 GB space in the C drive. Then save the changes and exit. Your PC will restart automatically. After that, open your PC and go to settings again and click Windows Updates and click Fix Issues, and the system will start downloading the required file automatically. Now, to confirm TPM is enabled, press Windows plus R, then type tpm.msc and hit enter. If it shows the TPM is ready for use, then everything is working correctly. So now just wait for the update to finish downloading and installing, and that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.